30 synonyms quiz to test your English vocabulary. Give it a try and see your score. Pick a synonym of expect. Answer C. Anticipate. Which is a synonym of describe? Answer A. Depict. Pick a synonym of hope. Answer B. Expectation. Choose a synonym for surreptitious. Answer C. Secret. Which is a synonym of remain? Answer D. Stay. Choose a synonym for squalid. Answer B. Dirty. Pick a synonym of consider. Answer D. Think. Pick a synonym of cost. Answer B. Price. Find a synonym for increase. Answer C. Grow. Which is a synonym of observe? Answer A. Watch. Pick a synonym of birth. Answer D. Nativity. Find a synonym for sensuous. Answer C. Pleasurable. Choose the synonym of wistful. Answer D. Longing. Which word is a synonym of leg? Answer B. Limb. Which word can replace trenchant? Answer A. Sharp. Pick the synonym for vigorous. Answer A. Energetic. Which is a synonym of earth? Answer D. Globe. Find a synonym for rancorous. Answer B. Bitter. Pick a synonym for base. Answer D. Foundation. Choose a synonym for map. Answer B. Chart. Which word is similar to parsimonious? Answer A. Stingy. Which word is similar to product? Answer C. Item. Which is a synonym of able? Answer D. Capable. Find a synonym for somber. Answer A. Dark. Pick the synonym of accept. Answer C. Receive. Which word is similar to luminous? Answer B. Shining. Pick a synonym of river. Answer C. Stream. What is a synonym of unruly? Answer B. Disobedient. Which is a synonym of period? Answer D. Term. Pick a synonym of age. Answer B. Years. Nice work! You did really well. Share your score in the comments. Hit like and subscribe for more quizzes.